Have you ever thought that there is a magical thing that can help you make your toy dynamic with just a few lines? With HingeX App, you can easily transform your toys into dynamic creations. To get started, simply open the HingeX and click Start. For first-time users, please select Download. You'll be presented with a grid for your design. In the lower left corner you can find an image library with various motifs. You can also click the plus button to add your own pictures. Drag the button until the picture is completely filled. If you want to delete the picture, select it and click Delete. These buttons allow you to draw your own picture. With this button you can decide whether you want to fill the image or not. Choose an image you like and it'll appear on the grid. You can drag the image to resize it. You can flip the image horizontally or vertically, copy and delete it. There are two types of joints. You can use this joint to connect different HingeX models. You can learn more about it in the later part of the video. Add joints to the model. If the joint isn't in the correct position, a red line will appear. When you're done, click Tick to see the whole effect. You can zoom in or out to check details. Click on Initial to straighten the model. At the bottom you'll find 5 action buttons. When you're done, click the Print button to print your design. Get started now and join the fun!